Immobiliser fit. This is a Starline Connect Immobiliser, has a push sequence, pairs to the phone to disarm, and this one also calls you if someone attempts to steal the vehicle. So what a thief's going to experience if they copy this key, do a relay attack, they're going to go to start the car. It's going to go to start and then switch off. If you're parked down the road, obviously you don't see them get in the vehicle, you can't hear it start up, you're going to get a phone call. So if you're parked a couple minutes away, you can go out, have a look, see what they're doing, but obviously the vehicle's protected with a push sequence or your phone. So obviously if it's you, you're going to want to drive it, you don't want a phone call, so keep your foot off the brake with the push sequence, double press to get the ignition on this vehicle, then pop your unique push sequence in, hear the disarm tone, and then start the vehicle, and obviously the vehicle runs. If you're not a fan of push sequences, don't want to waste any time, we'll turn the Bluetooth on this phone. With your phone in your pocket, you just hop in and start. Hear the disarm tone straight away, no need to waste time doing the code, doing the double press and so on. So once again, this is the Starline Connect, uses the push sequence, pairs to the phone, has a service mode, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Starline Connect. This one gives you a call if a thief attempts to steal the vehicle. Thanks for watching.